Franzo!
Ay, lagi pa gunahon na lang pa.
62.
Kasi gunahon na lagi.
Championship game. Championship game.
Kaya sa inyo.
First Army Commission Basketball
Kasi po
Club.
yung anak.
Again, we'd like to thank the chapter president, Mrs. Amora,
Franz,
for using the
ay gunahon na ka. Musiko ka, mabahos ka. Una na ang ring.
Mr. Jumel Rotan, the commissioner. Mr. Mali, Bukoy Malalay, the assistant commissioner, for the support of the first Army Commission Basketball Club. Thank you.
Iyara mo.
Kita bersama sama.
Pati nun so! Slide mo nun so!
Iyara to! Iyara to!
Slide, slide.
Iyara to!
Okay, start.
Check up! Ayaw, Franz! Ayaw, Franz! Ayaw, Franz! Makumatantang ka na, Franz!
Foul, green. Then thank you to Kenneth, the referee, and the
Ikaw man na, Franz! Ikaw man!
Lalay on the table. Again, thank you for supporting the first Arwin and Commission Basketball Club. Luar ba itong streamer, no? This is really memorable for us. The Arwin and Commission, tambal sa panasakit. Dili tumaron. Exercise lang. Gawa ng sambal do. Sityo Kalabihan. You can browse the YouTube for the evidence. Thank you for the media for trusting with us. So once again, our registration for today, May 29, 2014, the US, 60%.
68 na!
The overview, 95 countries for today, May 29, 2014, the US again, 2019, for the YouTube. You can browse that, YouTube, how to do it, today, for the update. Again, thank you, America. 65, 44, 54. No?
Burn, bola, burn!
3 minutes and 40 seconds remaining time for the fourth quarter.
Oy!
Yo!